What's up, guys? Review time with Eric Johnson, baby. Guess what I've got here? Let's check it out. Boom! What do you think this came? What do you think it is? Any guesses? Well, if anybody pays attention to Cellucor, you know they got that another exclusive to bodybuilding.com. Mint chocolate chip. Macros, 33 grams of a scoop is going to give you 1 fat, 3 carbs, 25 protein. So pretty typical of their proteins. Let's see what kind of goodies they sent me. I never use this crap, so let's see what I've got. They sent me some nitrix, VSN, some of that there, Synthesis peanut butter cookie flavor. 47 gram serving. It's got 6 fats, 15 carbs, and 22 protein. Good gosh. Horrible macros on that. I don't use that stuff. I'm sure it's good. I'm sure it's tasty. I tell you that. All them tasty carbs and fats in there. Let's open this bad boy up right quick. What are we gonna make? You know what I'm gonna make? Should I make a POV cake? Mint POV cake? Should I make some of that ice cream? I think I'm gonna make ice cream. Am I gonna have a scoop on top? That shit smells good, guys. No scoop. Let's see if I can find one. Oh yeah, it's right there. There we go. Let's have to pull the handle out. Man, can you see it? It doesn't look chocolate, does it? It's called mint chocolate chip, but it's like, let's get this shit going. I'm gonna get everything set up. I'll be right back. Alright, got some ice up in there blended. Got my new Cellucor mint chocolate chip, I think it's called. In there, got about 120 grams of almond milk. Let's get this thing started. Okay, I got my bowl here. Pretty good. It's not real strong. It's got that cool minty. It's pretty legit, guys. It's not bad at all for ice cream or a shake. It's gonna do good. I don't know how it's gonna be on in a POV cake or anything like that. I might give it a shot. But it's definitely good when it's cold like this. Maybe I'll convince one of my kids to do it in their cream of wheat tomorrow morning or something. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Buy it, try it, see what y'all think. I'm giving it a thumbs up. I think it's good. All right, guys. So that's it for the Cellucor mint chocolate chip. Mint chocolate chip. Let me get this thing in some good lighting, and I'll take some pictures of it for y'all. Put it up in this video. But give it a thumbs up. I say give it a go. It's about 30 bucks from bodybuilding.com plus a little shipping, whatever it is, $5 for shipping or whatever. Get yourself a little 10% discount somewhere. Save a little few bucks. And give it a shot yourself. I give it a thumbs up though. It's pretty good. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below if you have something to say. And I am out. Later.